Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to add AI self to TikTok so you can create a personalized AI avatar for your profile. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can manage your account. Step 2. Tap Edit Profile beneath your username. This is where you can update your profile details, links, and avatars. Step 3. Tap the AI self section, then tap Start to begin creating your AI avatar. This is the feature that lets you make a digital version of yourself. Step 4. Tap Create AI self again to begin the setup. This confirms that you want to proceed with generating your AI avatar. Step 5. Take a photo when prompted to capture your face for the AI avatar, then tap Generate. This photo will be used to create a realistic AI version of you. Step 6. Follow the on-screen customization steps to adjust your avatar's appearance and options. You can change the features and style to match your preferences. Step 7. Confirm or save your AI self to add the avatar to your TikTok profile. Now your profile will display your unique AI avatar for everyone to see. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.